Welcome to Arrowfield Stud, established in 1985 by John Massara. Located in the Hunter Valley region of New South Wales, Australia, Arrowfield is set on more than 1,000 hectares of prime agricultural land. Based since 1996 at its present location in the Sedgenhove Valley, the stud is operated by a team of around 100 staff, led by Paul Massara. On your right, Arrowfield's champion sire, Redute's Choice, is immortalised in bronze, while the statue of legendary vet Percy Sykes, a great friend of Arrowfield and mentor to John Massara, greets visitors at the office. Arrowfield is home to 12 stallions and 350 broodmares. 65 individual Group 1 winners have been bred, raised and or sold by Arrowfield since its inception. The 12 Arrowfield stallions will cover a total of around 1,200 mares in a breeding season. Some of the stallions shuttle to Australia from their respective homelands in France, Japan and America, returning there after the Australian season has finished. The stallions typically spend most of their time turned out in paddocks, coming into the barns for grooming and checkups each day. Redute's Choice is the king of Arrowfield, a 3-time champion sire of Australia. He has now also secured his dynasty as a sire of sires. 6 of his sons have retired to Arrowfield, including Snitzel, Not a Single Doubt, and Beneteau. Crown champion Australian sire for the first time in 2017, Snitzel follows his father Redute's Choice and grandfather Danehill to complete an unprecedented 3-generation sequence of champion Australian sires to stand at the one farm. Around 300 foals are born at Arrowfield each year, outdoors in small yards, and then graduate to 2-hectare paddocks like this at around 4 weeks of age. They are weaned at 5 to 6 months, then live in groups of around 10 until they begin their yearling sale preparation at between 12 to 16 months of age. Arrowfield's new yearling facility, completed in 2018, allows up to 120 yearlings to be prepared for sale at any one time. In the last several years, Arrowfield has been the leading vendor of yearlings in Australia by gross sales and numbers. The Arrowfield Training Centre opened in 2006, with capacity for 50 horses in training. It features a 75-metre pool and water walker. The training track is a 2,000-metre synthetic surface with a 1,400-metre straight gallop. Top horses trained here by Paul Massara include Group 1 winning sprinter Hortensia and Alberta, and brilliant 2-year-old colt Beneteau. Horses have been part of the Hunter Valley's history for almost 200 years, and thoroughbred horses play a vital role in this stunning region's 21st century economic, cultural and community life. John Massara's vision of a great Australian farm dedicated to the breeding of exceptional racehorses has already been realised, but it's only the beginning.